Making the ambassadors. And I'm in the hallway, singing to the troubadours, and the kings are all lined up outside the gates, and the autumn bell is ringing, but they'll just have to wait. Where is the Joker? Have you seen him around with this three-cornered cap that he wears like a crown? Have you seen his striped stockings? I've heard his sad tales about the kids under the carpet and the purple home bag away. Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining. Great little lesson here today over Bathtub Gin. Go over the chords, and we'll go over that little iconic solo piece there as well. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright, so Bathtub Gin, start out here on a C7 to a G minor 7. So that's C7 here, so we're barring 3rd fret. We've got our pinky finger here on the 5th fret of the B, and ring finger is on the 5th fret of the D. And you want to hit your root note here, so the 3rd fret of that A string. So that G minor 7. So basically you just take it's like your normal G bar chord, but you remove your pinky finger from it, and it becomes a minor 7. It's pretty awesome. So we're just barring 3rd fret there. Middle finger is on the 4th of the G, and ring finger here is on the 5th of the A. From there, you'll move to an F to an E flat, and I'm just playing that just like I would a bar C chord here. So I've got my index finger here I'm barring the 6th fret, starting at the A string, and then my ring finger is barring the 8th fret, starting at the D, and that is an E flat. Back to our C7. And then back to the F. So now from there we go into our D to C. And we have this cool little walk down here from after this D. So we're going C, B, B flat. So we're just hitting our C chord, and we're just going down 1 fret, and then the other, just a little walk down there. So and from this B flat here, we're going to go from B flat to an F sharp minor, F minor 7. And again, it's same rhythm as you do for the intro here. Back to the intro. And that's it. I mean, those are the chords. That's the verse. That's the rhythm that you play for the entire song. There's a lot of chords, but once you get them down, it's really not that difficult at all. Because they're different chords, but they're just in different positions, basically, or different places on the fretboard. But again, it's relatively straightforward. It's a really cool rhythm. It's a lot of fun to play around with. And then to the solo piece, and they're just kind of what starts the solo. Alright, so to go over the solo piece here, I have the tab up. I'm just going to play through it really slowly. I'm not going to talk through each note. I feel sometimes that gets a little difficult and kind of confusing sometimes. So I'm just going to play through it slowly with the tab up there for you. Alright, and there we have Bathtub Gin. Thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.